Hi students, welcome back to the Challengers. So today I have a video on demand. I've made a video on demand of one of my viewers, one of my students. She asked me to explain metric system. So as I have promised that जो भी आपके demands होंगे that I am going to fulfill. So today is my first video which I am making on demand of one of my student. Okay? तो इसमें मैं समझा रही हूँ metric system. Okay? मेट्रिक सिस्टम में इन सारी चीजों को इंटर कन्वर्जन करना है. ओके, लाइक मीटर को कभी डेसी में करना होगा, या मीटर को सेंटी में करना होगा, या मिली में करना होगा, या किलो को मीटर में, किलो को हेक्टर. तो वॉट एवर कन्वर्जन यू हैव टू डू, फर्स्ट यू हैव टू लर्न इट बाय हार्ट. किलो, हेक्टर, डेका, मीटर, सेंटी, डेसी, सेंटी, मिली. तो इसे आप इन द सिंक्रोनाइज्ड वे ओनली, इन अ सिंक्रोनाइज्ड वे. ओके, इसी मैनर में, इसी सीरियल वाइज, दिस वे ओनली हैव टू first learn it by heart. Next very important thing you have to understand here कि जो मीटर है ना, यहाँ पे मैंने लेंथ को ही मान लिया है मेन यूनिट. ओके, आई एम टेकिंग द यूनिट ऑफ लेंथ. मतलब ये सारे मीटर है, किलोमीटर, हेक्टोमीटर, डेकामीटर, मीटर, डेसी, सेंटी, मिली. और इफ यू आर टेकिंग ग्राम, ओके, अगर किलोग्राम है तो हियर इट विल बी किलोग्राम, हेक्टोग्राम, डेकाग्राम, simply gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. Okay, if you are taking liter it will be kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter. यहाँ मीटर की जगह क्या हो जाएगा, this one, the main unit will be liter, deci, centi, milli. तो here I have taken meter. Okay, तो ये जो हमारा सेंट्रल वाला, this is the center of this series. Okay, this is the center of this series. तो इस सीरीज में जो हमारा ये है मीटर है, सेंटर है, it is occupying the central position, so we have to consider this only and we have to do all the conversion. So first thing you have to understand is that जैसे ही हम मीटर से we are moving to the right, we are moving towards smaller units. Okay, and as we are moving from meter to kilometer, these units are bigger units. मतलब इधर लेफ्ट वाला जो होगा, जैसे जैसे लेफ्ट में जाएंगे these units are bigger, एंड जैसे जैसे राइट में, इधर राइट में जाएंगे तो यूनिट्स आर स्मॉलर. ओके, तो अगर किलो को हेक्टो में करना, हाँ यस, फर्स्ट थिंग यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस. सेकेंड थिंग व्हाट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, वेन एवर यू आर कन्वर्टिंग अ बिगर यूनिट into a smaller unit, you have to always multiply by the multiple of 10, 100 या 1000 जो भी है, whatever multiple of 10. How to choose the multiples, that also I'm going to do, tell you. Second, if you are converting a smaller unit into a bigger unit, then you have to divide it by the multiples of 10, 100 or 1000, whatever. So this thing is very very important for you to understand children and for you to remember. Okay, कि अगर हम बड़े से छोटे यूनिट में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं तो मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है, और छोटे से बड़े यूनिट में कर रहे होते हैं तो हमें डिवाइड करना होता है. तो सिंपल, अगर एक सिंपल सा हम सम ले लेते हैं कि 1 मीटर में कितने मीटर्स, 100 सेंटीमीटर होता है, तो 5 मीटर में कितना होगा. तो ये बड़ा है ना, तो बड़े से छोटे यूनिट में कर रहे हैं, तो वी आर व्हाट आर वी गोइंग टू डू, 5 into 100, that is 500 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, अगर सिंपल सा सम ले तो बच्चे आराम से कर लेते हैं इसे. ओके, दे आर वेरी इजीली एबल टू सॉल्व इट. बट हमने यहाँ कौन सा रूल अप्लाई किया कि बिगर टू स्मॉलर यूनिट के लिए मैंने क्या किया, इनटू. सपोज इफ इट इज 1 सेंटीमीटर इज, सॉरी 100 सेंटीमीटर इज 1 मीटर, सो 200 सेंटीमीटर विल बी हाउ मेनी मीटर्स. तो अब छोटे से बड़े यूनिट में, स्मॉलर टू बिगर यूनिट, व्हेन वी आर कन्वर्टिंग वी हैव टू divide it by 100. This one, 200 has to be divided, this has to be divided by 100, so it will be 2 meter. Okay, so this way only you have to do. But this was a very simple sum, so it was easy for you to understand. Please note it down. Note these 2 points. It's very important. Now we will tell you how to interconvert these units. Okay, now I'm going to tell you. Suppose if you have to convert kilo to hecto, just try to understand which one is a bigger unit. This is a bigger unit and this is a smaller unit. So you have to multiply by 10. Why multiply by 10? As many jumps you are taking, you have to take as many zeros. Just count the number of jumps and count the number of zeros. Now, if you have to convert kilo into deca, how many jumps you took? 1, 2. 2 jump. So you have to multiply by 100. Why? Because you are converting bigger into a smaller unit. Alright. Now, kilo to meter, if you have to convert, how many jumps you took? 1, 2, 3 jumps. 3 jumps. So you have to again multiply by 1000 because we are converting bigger into a smaller unit. So now I'm dealing the left side of this main unit. So is it clear? You have to count the jumps and you have to see how many, you have to check that whether you are converting a bigger unit into smaller or a smaller to bigger. Like suppose you have to convert deca into hecto. So deca is a smaller unit and hecto is a bigger unit. So smaller to bigger unit. It means you have to divide. And how you have to choose the number of zeros? 1 jump means 1 zero. So you have to divide by 10. Now if you are converting deca into kilo, okay, when you have converting deca into kilo, how many jumps you took? 2 jumps. 1 jump from deca to hecto. Directly you didn't reach kilo, you jump from deca to hecto and then again from hecto to kilo. And now this is a smaller and this is a bigger unit. So smaller to bigger unit, whenever you are jumping back, you have to divide. That was our rule which you have to remember. Divided by 100. Why 2 zeros? Because 2 jumps. Simple. Now again meter to hecto. Just pause the video and tell me by which number are we going to divide. Okay, I'm telling you. So meter to deca 1 jump and deca to hecto 2 jumps. 2 jumps, so you have to divide by 100. Why divide? Because we are going back from bigger to a smaller unit. Smaller, extremely sorry. Smaller to a bigger unit. So this way only you have to carry the interconversions. What 2 things are very important, which you have to remember? Whenever you are converting bigger unit into a smaller unit, you have to multiply. Smaller unit to a bigger unit, you have to divide. And the multiples of 10, how are you going to decide? By the jumps. How many jumps you are taking. With those number of jumps, you will be able to find out the multiple of 10 कि हमें किससे divide करना है या multiply करना है. So the same thing you can do for the right side of the series. Now we have to follow the same steps for the right side of the series. Like suppose if you want to convert, so this here is the bigger and we are moving towards the smaller unit. It means if you compare these two, this is smaller, this is bigger. Okay. And on the left side, if you compare these two, the left one is bigger. And on the right side of the series, the right one is bigger. Okay. So if you know which one is a bigger unit and which one is a smaller unit, you can easily carry out the interconversion. So here if we have to convert deci into centi. So deci is a bigger unit and centi is a smaller unit. So you have to multiply by what? Count the number of jumps. So just 1 jump. So you have to multiply by 10. We are converting a bigger unit into a smaller unit. Now if you have to convert deci into milli. So again you have to multiply by how many? 1, 2 jumps. So into 100. Now this is a smaller unit. Centimeter is a smaller unit. And meter is a bigger unit. If you are comparing centi and milli. Centi and meter. So smaller to bigger unit, what are we supposed to do? Divide. Now how many jumps you took? Deci to centi. Centi to deci and deci to meter means 1, 2 jumps. You have to take 2 jumps. So here you have taken 2 jumps, so you will put 2 zeros divided by 100. Simple. Now similarly, meter into centimeter. Now if you have to convert meter to centimeter, so meter is a bigger unit and centimeter is a smaller unit. It means bigger से smaller unit जाते हैं तो multiply how many steps? 1, 2. So multiply by 100. Now meter to milli. This is a bigger unit and this is a smaller one. So you are converting from bigger unit to a smaller unit. So again you will multiply by 100 by how many steps? 1, 2, 3. 3 jumps by 1000. So this way only you are able, you'll be able to solve all the interconversions.